Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of the Samsung Galaxy S24Ultra cell phone. This beauty is packed with 256 gigabytes of storage, is completely unlocked, and features some top-of-the-line specs. Let's start with the smartphone feature, which allows you to snap photos of someone or something, and then use them as your own personalized emojis. Talk about convenience. This powerhouse phone boasts an impressive 200MP camera and a whopping 100x zoom, so you can capture memories from near to far away. And don't worry about running out of battery. You've got a long-lasting power source that keeps you connected all day long. Plus, the S Pen makes it easy to navigate through menus and apps with just a simple touch. The cell phone version we have here is for the US market, so you can feel confident knowing it's compatible with your network. The only downside, it's currently underwater in our pool test. Just kidding, it's completely waterproof. Thank you for joining us on this tech adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay tech savvy.